Plie Pibaro, Pillang Sobhai Pi, Sapiyit Kami, Bakikubo, Baman Kasi.
Ubala kamen rumboy Myntri ke Tnat Pule Puti jong ka Sarkar Jilla henen kasi sadjan ura Hiar sa Pillang gata ka snong kabaduan hakaput ka Meghalaya Assam kata na kabentaban Plie Paidbah ka building ka Pillang gata Secondary School. Ya ka building jong ka teka school la tailing ba ka jingirap baiting ka na ka Asian Development Bank bat ka balayarap ban kersyan da ka Human Capital Development Meghalaya. Ya ka teka school building la tay hakata ka rukom ka babaha bat ka bajanay baha na ka benta ka jingdon kam ki khina school kata katkum ka juk thamay bamenta. Lasdang bantay ka teka school ha usnam 8,000 khat khandai batang hapo shisnam kata ha 8,000 arpo lala ban pendep lut baro. Kajinglot na kabenta bantay ka building jo ka school kalakot siya kalay klur tam. Nalor Myntri Sarkar kibladon lang hakatay kasngi kikintup yaw ba Sostenes Sotun, MLA Jirang uba Victor Rani, MDC Jirang uba N Lamari, SP Riboy, kakong B Hinyota, ADC Riboy, Lembat Kiway.
Pillang Higher Secondary School and the people of all the adjoining areas, because from the education department to the hard working of our honorable Minister of Education Malakmen Ramboy, we have seen this building out here. It's a dream come true, as to say. Our ambition as MLA and together with our MDC, along with the department, we want to uplift the educational standard of each and every school, especially in these areas, the backward areas of my constituency. And I know that without your help, this building would have been here as we have seen. The department is working so hard because through the officers, they have screened that this area, especially the village of Pillang should get a good school. The coverage of this
given me this honor to be with you to inaugurate this school building funded by ADB and also for the opening of the secondary section. This area, Jirang as a whole, Jirang area needs a maximum focus by the government of Meghalaya. I'm very happy that through the intervention of the local MLA and the blessing of our Honorable Chief Minister, that in the last 3 years, every department tried to do their best. Every department tried to help be in infrastructure and in human resources development. And we have funded around 5-6 additional school building in the last 2 years. We have projected 2 Eclavia Model Residential School in this Jirang area. We have also decided that one model degree college will be set up in this area, and that is in Patharkhama. I have seen that today while coming, the road from that side, from 9 Mile till here, is being blocked up. I have known that from Umling till Umrit, road will be constructed. I know that from Mairang till Rani, it is being renovated. So the government in these last 3 years have focused in this part of the area. As the headman of Pillang has already mentioned, that this area needs a maximum focus. And we don't let the people down with so many infrastructure development which happen in this part of the state. And it's not the end, and many more will follow. Yes, we have the constraint as the government. We have the difficulties. We have the challenges. But we are here to solve the challenge, to solve the problem. And we know that when we cannot, that means there are difficulties which we could not overcome. That's why I'm very happy that the people of this area, the people of Meghalaya, has given us the confidence in spite of so many difficulties. We will do more. Yes, education sector has the maximum, so to say, issues which need to be solved. And it's not very easy. It is not very easy that to solve the issues. But we are trying to simplify the issues so that each, whatever issues which you could do, we will do.